hotly contested close bout. Eto na, suntukan! Bigay na!
Bang siya.
Oh! Down goes! Down goes Domingo!
Sinisilip no, ni Mel Fajardo yung whatever opening ang makikita niya dun sa depensa ni Esnet Domingo.
Ganda
Tulad
ng
doon.
depensa ni Domingo, pero bukas yung gilid.
Hindi, tsaka yung uppercut,
Oo.
nakalusot.
So again, Domingo absorbing a few blows from Fajardo. One false move. Makakapuntos ng marami ang kumakaunter. And both are actually quite adept at counter-punching, Dennis.
Oo. Pero medyo, tingin ko rito, mas nakakaangat si Mel Fajardo.
Yeah, Fajardo with the jabs now being established.
Kasi parang masyado pang no? Defensive si Esnet Domingo.
3 jabs. Di makapasok that time. Counter galing kay Domingo. Not there. Fajardo with the more accurate blows. Except for that one. Less than a minute remaining in the second. And again, Fajardo. Ganda. And another one. 5 punches. No response coming from Domingo.
Yung uppercut ni
Fajardo.
no?
Oo. Minsan nagiging
Ayun,
lead punch siya. And again, good
Yeah.
counter.
The left uppercut from Fajardo.
Also very busy with the jab. Itong si Mel Fajardo. Final seconds of the second round. Fajardo tagged that time by Domingo. Too little, too late though. It's starting to look like another round para dito kay Mel Fajardo.
Oo. Tsaka nakakakuha na ng momentum si Fajardo rito. So take a look. At slow mo rin pa yung uppercut.
Oo.
Yun yung nakikita niya kasing best weapon para ma-open up yung depensa ni Esnet Domingo. Kasi makikita mo, maganda yung cover niya no? Pero yun, nakita mo another uppercut.
Nasisingitan
Yes.
And again, itong si Fajardo, very busy yung kanyang kaliwa. He's usually, nakita natin doon, 4-punch combination all with the left hand, including one. Again, itong si Mel Fajardo has been very busy with that left hand. Less than a minute remaining here in the third. Lusot na naman yung kanyang jabs. And hardly any offense galing dito kay Esnet Domingo. Parang
Yes.
pambawi lang talaga yung bawon niya at
Oo.
least here in this third. Yun, nakalusot na isa si Domingo pero ang dami kasunod na binitiwan ni Fajardo.
Fajardo, oo. Ang pinagkaiba lang ngayon, parang mas napapaatras si Fajardo dito, no? Baka he's starting to feel the power of Esnet Domingo.
Domingo, 22 wins, 14 KOs in his 22 wins. Well, Fajardo, 12 wins, 11 KOs in his 12 wins. Final seconds of the third round, which is
Title holder, chances are makakuha ka ng mataas na rankings.
of course, pagdating sa ating rankings dito nationally, nasabi na natin kanina na itong si Mel Fajardo is the number 8th ranked pagdating sa flyweight division. But in the world, he's number 35. So pwedeng up and coming din ito in the world rankings. Whereas, ito namang si Esnet Domingo, number 5 in the Philippines and number 29 in the world. So marami pang kailangan habulin dyan. But it all starts with this one title muna for the vacant IBF Pan Pacific Flyweight title. Oh,
Nice left from Esnet Domingo.
Domingo starting to heat up.
Medyo ano na si Domingo, offense-minded na at
Oo.
this point. Parang nagbigay lang ng partida rito kay Mel Fajardo, eh, no?
Okay ka na sa dalawang round, ha?
Oo.
Ako naman.
Kita mo, biglang naghigpit yung depensa ni Fajardo.
Oh, what a counter there coming from Domingo. Fajardo still trying to do what worked in the first 2 rounds, pero ready na si Domingo. Past the halfway mark of the 4th.
Nice counter from Estet Domingo.
Tumawala tuloy timing nitong
Yes.
si Fajardo pag mapasok ng counter ito si Domingo.
Nagiging active na rito si Estet Domingo. He's beginning to connect some clean punches.
May isang alag doon sa likod ng ulo ni Fajardo, which Domingo immediately apologizes for.
Tsaka parang pansin mo, parang nabawasan yung kumpiyansa ni Miel Fajardo.
Oo. Yan yung mga jab niya, hindi na pumapasok eh. He's trying again. Into the body. Naramdaman ni Fajardo yan. Pero counter shot to the body as well from Fajardo.
Wow.
Bigayan sa katawan yung dalawa. Low blow warning kontra dito kay Estet Domingo. Final seconds of the 4th.
Oh,
Solid shot once again. And round number 4 will come to an end, and the crowd is on their feet here at the San Andres Sports Complex. Dennis Principe.
yeah, tingin ko Estet pa rin. Close
Yeah.
round, pero I'd like to give it to... Yeah, actually, 4 divisions na nakuha niya. 105, 108, 112, and 115.
115.
Yes.
Oh, yun yung last niya.
Yes.
2 left hands connecting to the face of Miel Fajardo coming from Estet Domingo as round number 5 begins. Katanungan dito, will this go the distance? Talagang nangyayari ito. Lamugan ang nagiging laban. Good solid shot coming from Fajardo. Pero again, Estet Domingo has shown that he can take these punches.
Yes. Early on, actually, nakita natin yun. But apparently, parang sinusukat niya rin lang, no? Si Miel Fajardo.
Oh, overhand right connecting that time. Yeah, good counter right galing naman kay Domingo.
Because yung record nga ni Fajardo, 12 wins, 11 knockouts.
Yes.
So siguro, medyo worry si Esnet nung first 2 rounds. Tignan ko nga. Sukatin nga natin. And it seems that parang yung sinasabi sa atin ngayon na mukhang kaya ko. Kaya ito ngayon, aktibo siya. Pinapasok niya si Miel Fajardo.
Domingo going to the body there once again. Fajardo tries to escape. Fajardo, panay na atras kayo. Tandaan natin,
Yes.
first 2 rounds, sugod siya na sugod.
Oo. At puro reklamo ni si Fajardo.
Oo.
I think that was a clean shot to the body by Estet Domingo.
Left hand still active though for Miel Fajardo. Domingo trying to close in.
Mukhang sa katawan na pupunterihin ni Estet Domingo.
Napakapit na doon itong si Fajardo. And referee Oliver Garcia separates the fighters. Again, no bouncing around. It's just stalking and looking for the best power shot. As we come up on a minute remaining in the 5th, Dennis.
I think Estet knows na may kahinaan sa katawan, si Miel Fajardo.
Nasusubukan niya. Fajardo won by a first round KO in his last outing against Miller Alopomina. And it is now Garcia stalking Fajardo.
Puro katawan.
Puro katawan.
Alam mo, minsan yung mga boxer pag nakakwentuhan mo sa ganyan, paano mo nalalaman na naapektuhan sa katawan, yung naririnig daw nila eh.
Aha.
So, feeling ko, ganun dito ngayon kay Esther Domingo. If you notice, around 70-80% of the time yung atake niya, puro sa katawan.
That's also tinatawag na chopping down the tree.
Yes.
Shot to the body again from Domingo. Another one. Oh, natamaan na doon si Fajardo sa mukha. And round number 5 comes to an end. Esnet Domingo is now starting to dominate the fight. Magiging factor yan. May bago ng target. Itong si Fajardo. Palakihin na natin itong sugat na to.
Yes, kaya kanina nga nakita natin in the 5th round, Esther Domingo was targeting the body of Miel Fajardo, and he was successful for a while.
Ngayon si Fajardo sa pagsisimula nitong 6th round, Dennis, puro ulo na. Another shot there by Fajardo.
Because of that cut, nakita niya, no? And yun naman yung medyo konting drawback for on the part of Esther Domingo. Meron siya ngayong dapat depensahan, no? Takpan na cut sa kanyang right eyelid.
But Domingo no longer stalking. Medyo tumatalon-talon na siya ngayon. Fajardo again, that left hand is very busy.
Yun, sandun yung cut eh, no?
Oo. Kaya na naman.
Alam mo, partner, mabilis yung action but very tactical.
Correct. And now Domingo cannot fire. Fajardo with the overhand. And more jabs to the face. Siguro para tutuan yung punch ratio dito sa round na ito in favor of Fajardo. Past the halfway mark of the 6th round. Miel Fajardo nagising.
May konting headbutt doon kanina.
Now Domingo. 4 punches, no response. Both fighters now on there, bouncing around.
Yun pa rin, no? Sa tingin ko, body attack pa rin ang dapat gawin dito ni Esnet Domingo.
Pero lumalabas na kasi yung jump dito ni Fajardo.
Oo. And may counter na rin si Miel Fajardo.
Oo. Look at that jab.
Nice one.
Goes straight into the face of Domingo and there's no response. Warning for low blow against Domingo.
Low blow nga ba?
That's the 2nd warning.
Medyo duda ako rin sa low blow na yun. Ha? Parang talaga iniinda rin ni Miel Fajardo yung body attack ni Estet Domingo.
Again, that's the 2nd warning for low blow already. Domingo tries to find one inside. Nakapasok ng isa doon. Final seconds of the 6th. Both fighters touching gloves as they hit their respective corners. Hindi ko na alam yun, ha? Hindi ko na alam kung paano, kanino ko ibibigay yun.
Pwede pa rin kay Miel, sa tingin
Okay.
ko. No? Pwede pa rin kay Miel Fajardo because ito, tignan natin, yung slow-mo replay.
May bago na siya target ngayon, eh.
Oo, meron siyang dalawang solid. Yun, isa yun. Sa nakita natin kanina.
Yun. Out of 8 punches, 2 lang ang tumama doon para kay Domingo. So right now, if we stop the fight right now, the way we scored it,
Wag
Mr.
naman.
Principe.
Nag-enjoy pa tayo,
Pero
eh.
the way we scored it right now, tabla yung laban natin.
Okay.
We still have 4 more rounds, but we have enough time to thank our friends from Limitless. Fairtech.
Round number 7.
So let's see if Fajardo will maintain target practicing on the wound above the right eyebrow nitong si Esnet Domingo. Or sa may right eyelid.
Yes, si Esnet ano pa rin, main target pa rin yung katawan ni Fajardo. And I think successful pa rin naman, kahit pa paano he's getting the attention of Miel Fajardo.
Tingnan natin if they can still maintain the same activity level here in round number 7. Mintis yung overhead that time coming from Fajardo.
Para ang belief ng corner ni Esnet is that pwedeng any moment tumiklop si Domingo kung mapuruhan sa katawan.
Di pa dumendepensa si Domingo ngayon. His guard was impenetrable at one point.
Parang parang he's trying to parang goad si Miel Fajardo na pumasok at magkamali.
May mga nanonood sa atin dito who just like to greet everybody watching us right now on the Norte TV, Puso Peace, Smart Sports, and Top Sports. Pati ang aking bunsong anak, si Zamika Zarate, nanonood ngayon. Ang aking wikwak, kung tawagin ko. Nanonood ngayon. At napapanood nyo rin po. Very quality fight here. Again, no one is ahead, at least in our unofficial scorecard. At pagdating sa body blows, lumalamang dyan si Domingo.
Yes, oo. Yung reklamo na yun ni Fajardo. Most of them are actually legal blows to the body. So that could only mean that iniinda ni Miel Fajardo yung body shots ni Domingo. Kaya naman si Domingo no let up pagdating dun sa body attacks.
Pero pag nakapasok naman siya, hindi naman siya tumama. Eto na yung buhos naman ni Fajardo.
Yun lang, oo. I think dapat gumamit din ng counter si Miel Fajardo dito.
Final seconds of the 7th round. Domingo may be winning this round, Dennis.
Pwede, yeah. Because very effective yung mga body shots ni Esnet Domingo.
Oh, now Fajardo is trying to steal the round. Final seconds. That round could go. Well, Zarate pa rin po kasama si Dennis Principe. This is the co-main event. Sa ilang sandali or right after this fight, it will be Pedro Taduran, the reigning and defending IBF World Minimum Weight Champion, going up against Christian Balunan, Filipino versus Filipino for a world title.
Yes.
Ngayon yung mga jab, yung mga jab ngayon ni Domingo, pumapasok na.
Dapat kanina niya pag ginawa yun, no?
It has to be definitive for Esnet Domingo. If he can win the jab war here, he'll have a huge advantage in the judges' scorecards. If you're Miel Fajardo, you're probably thinking, baka behind na ako Baka kailangan ko ng pabagsakin to
Well, I think both of them dapat ganun ang thinking around this time, around this point of this fight.
Connection coming from Fajardo. Uppercut from Fajardo. Gagamitin sana ni Fajardo yung rope. Esnet Domingo. Well, Fajardo's got the jab back, and now he's also entering the fray. Talaga makita mo yung intention doon ni Domingo.
So, I think right now, napapag-aralan na ni Fajardo how to counter yung body attack ni Esnet Domingo. Nice left from Miel Fajardo.
Nasira timing doon ni Esnet Domingo. Less than a minute remaining in the 8th round, scheduled for 10. Domingo felt that one.
Ngayon, kumaka-counter na kaya tumatama sa katawan si Esther Domingo, nakakabawi si Mel Fajardo.
Domingo could not fire that time nung nasa corner na ito si Fajardo. Half a minute to go. And ang bilis ni Fajardo, alam niya may
Yes.
ipit siya.
Oo.
Clinch ka agad.
Clinch agad. And then pivot, ano?
Fajardo turning his counter punch into offense.
I think around this time, yung body punches ni Esther Domingo, bumababa na yung ano no? Yung force,
Oo.
puwersa.
The penultimate round in this championship matchup for the vacant IBF Pan Pacific Flyweight Championship.
So parang parang push button pag suntok sa katawan. May
Oo.
counter agad si
Naaral
Mel
na.
Fajardo.
Naaral na.
Oo.
Oo.
Well, sabi nga natin, yung first 2 rounds, pinag-aralan ni Mel Fajardo paano mabuka yung depensa ni Esther Domingo. Parang it gave us an idea na thinking fighter din itong si Mel Fajardo.
Actually, both of them kasi maganda rin
Yes.
ang adjustment nito
Oo.
si Domingo. Domingo now pressing forward. Bunch of misses there by Domingo, pero alam mo na kung anong intention niya, ipitin etong si Fajardo in that corner, and he's trying to work on that right now.
Alam mo, yun lang. Nangihinayang ako kay Esther Domingo, no? The few times na bumibitaw ng jab, tumatama. Kung
Oo.
titignan mo
Oo.
yung left hand ni Fajardo, masyadong mababa. So pwedeng lumusot. Katulad yan, no? Dapat dyan, kahit pa paano, bumibitaw ka na ng jab.
Pero wala, pupunta pa rin siya sa body. Ready na. Ready na sa bodega. Eto si Fajardo.
Ang problema, nakatayo pa rin ngayon si Mel Fajardo. So syempre, naiisip siguro, no? Ibang judges inisip na ba? Kaya yung mga
Oo.
body punches. Kumbaga, walang masyadong effect.
So pag ginawa niya ulit kayong round na ito, parang hindi nila pinapansin.
Yes, oo. Whereas si Mel Fajardo, meron pa rin mga patama sa mukha.
Well, approaching the final minute nitong ating penultimate round in this championship bout. Still trying to go to the body ito si Domingo.
Pero bumabawi agad si Mel Fajardo.
Oo. Fajardo missing that time. Here comes Domingo. Trying to press forward. Referee Oliver Garcia separating the fighters once again. Half a minute to go. 9th round.
Yun, medyo mababa yun.
Oo. Look at the smile dito kay
Smile
Mel
ba yun
Fajardo.
or ano?
Nasabi niya, nananalo na ako sa round na ito, brother. And he might be right.
Baka ano yun, wincing in pain.
That will end the 9th round. Mukhang Mel Fajardo na naman yun.
Yan, yung effect ng body punches ni Esther Domingo, medyo bumababa na around this time. Kaya nakakaya na ni Mel Fajardo.
This is the final round in this hotly contested close.
And syempre, kung isipin mo, siguro si Mel Fajardo, ang thinking niya rito is lamang siya.
Oh! Down goes! Down goes Domingo! Natayo ka agad ni si Esther Domingo, but that might be the defining moment of this match for Mel Fajardo, Dennis.
Enough time, ha? Enough time for Esther Domingo.
Kailangan pumawi rito. Dito si Domingo. That was a knockdown scored.
Pwedeng yun yung clincher.
Oo.
Pero sabi nga natin, enough time for Esther Domingo to score his own knockdown. And he's capable of doing that.
And of course, Fajardo wants to finish the job. Halfway mark of the final round.
Ayaw mag-relax ni Miel Fajardo.
Oo. Hindi rin siya sigurado
Just
kasi.
wanting to make sure
Oo.
na walang duda. No doubt.
Bumalik na naman ang pagdudugo dun sa sugat. Nitong si Esnet Domingo above that right eye.
Ito na ba yung main event? Hindi pa naman.
Di pa, di pa.
Parang
mamaya
main
pa.
event eh.
Kung
no?
main event lang
Oo.
naman. And the blood coming out once again. Should not be a factor in the final 45 seconds. Domingo going to the body once again. Fajardo does not want this to go to the scorecards. Fajardo, di na bumabato ha.
Oo, very wise na rito si Fajardo.
Still fires. Fajardo wants to make it convincing. Officially on a 10-8 round because of the knockdown. Final seconds of the bout.
The best round for Miel Fajardo, without a doubt.
Without a doubt. And he will be rewarded with a 10-8 round. But will it be enough to get the bout?
Very interesting malaman natin kung ano scorecard
Oo.
dito, no?